Welcome, creatives, to my YouTube channel. I'm happy once again to have you here on my channel. And as you're looking at my screen, you see a website called Chill. And what do you do on this website? You can easily make money by simply watching videos. Yes, you heard me right. So you have opportunity to just watch videos for just 15 seconds and you earn money. So I'm going to be sharing with you two ways in which you can make money on this website. So if you want to register, you just click on the register now. You can see you input your phone number, you create a password, then you enter the verification code. Then also you can invite others also with the code. So after that, you can now register. So because I have registered, so I'm just going to log in into my dashboard as I show you how we can get started. So let me log in. So as you can see, let's go through the company profile. Chill Worldwide is an international marketing company under the Samsung Group that provide advertising, public relations, shopping marketing, sports marketing, digital marketing, and other services. So they are founded in 1973, and they are in South Korea. So you can just go through more about this platform because I don't want this video to be too long. So let me just go through what you can do on Chill International. So as you can see, if you want to watch video tutorials about this platform, you can just click on any of it and continue. So how do we join? So we have two ways you can join this platform. The first one is intern. You can see under the tax hall, you can see intern, and you are going to see S1 to S9, right? So on intern, you have opportunity to perform 5 tasks every day. Yes, you heard me right, 5 tasks. And what will you be doing? Just like I said in the beginning of this video, you are going to be watching videos for just 15 seconds. So I'm going to show you how you are going to register as an intern. And if you're an intern, you have opportunity to work for free. You don't need to pay any money to join Chill platform as an intern. So then the second part is when you have upgraded to the pro version. So personally to me, I upgraded to the pro version. I'm in version 2. So I'm going to show you what is the use of this S1 to S9 over here. So you can see different videos with different pricing, and also you are being paid in Naira. So that is one of the things you need to know. So you can see different people that have withdrawn on this website. So let me just quickly go through the level. So under the intern, you are able to perform 5 tasks daily, and you are being paid 100 Naira for the 5 tasks, right? So that means when you perform 5 tasks by watching videos, you'll be paid 500 Naira every day. So you times 500 in 6 days. You have opportunity to work from Monday to Saturdays. So imagine you work 100 Naira in 500 Naira in 6 days. You multiply it, you know what you are going to make. So let's go. S1, you can perform 5 tasks and you're going to earn 108 Naira per video. All right. So then for the S2, you are going to perform 10 tasks and you are going to make 135 Naira per video. So you multiply it 10 times 135, you know what you are going to get, right? So the same thing as S3, it has its own number of tasks, 25 tasks. Then you move down to S9, which is 700 tasks, which you are going to make 1,300 Naira per tax. So you are going to see something important here. From the beginning, you are going to see the intern is open. You can see S12 is open, S2 is open, S3 is open, S4 seat is full, S5 seat is full, S6 seat is full, S7 seat is full, S8 and S9. That means they are not currently recruiting people to work from S4 to S9, right? So let me click on it now, so that you can see. You can see it's not highlighting. So but if I click on any of this, you can see. So you can see this one, you can see it's responding. So you can only upgrade for now from S1, S2 and S3. So let's go to the profit margin and see what are the profits like. So just like I said, as a trainee, if you perform 5 tasks, you're making 100 naira, which is 500 naira. S1, sorry, if you pay 15,000 naira, you can have opportunity to perform 5 tasks, which is 108 naira per task. You're making 540 in a day if you perform 5 tasks. For S2, you have opportunity to perform 10 tasks and you're making 135 naira, and also you are making 1,350 naira per day, and in 30 days you are making 40,500, and in a year, which is 365 days, you are making 492,750. So you just like that. So I told you that you can only upgrade from S1, S2, S3. Then from S4 upward, you cannot upgrade for now. So you can see for the intern, no deposit required. You can take a tax a day, and the commission for each tax is 100 naira. So you can earn 500 naira a day. The intern level can work only for 3 days. So that is for intern only. Then for S1, you can work for 6 days. For S2, you can work for 6 days. So I'm under S2. So let me go to my wallet. So this is my wallet. You can see withdrawal. Now let me go to this withdrawal. Note that you can become paid on this website by opening, when you have in your local bank account. You can see my Stanbic account is linked to it. They will ask you to link your bank account, so you can link your local bank account to it. Also, you can see different prices of withdrawal. So if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw 25 and 225. You can withdraw 65. You can withdraw 30,000, 90,000, 230,000, 650,000, 300,000, 700,000, and 15 million. So that is the total money you can withdraw on this website. So let me assume I want to withdraw 25 now. You can see it as highlighted, and I'll now include my password. Then I'll submit it immediately. Within few minutes, you are going to receive your money. So let me just show you the money I've been able to withdraw. This is my withdrawal record. I just joined, and not just few weeks ago, and I've been able to withdraw 5,980 on this day, on the 18th of last month. And also on the 23rd, I was able to withdraw 2,003, and today, which is 1st October, as 2024, I was able to withdraw 980 naira. So I upgraded to the level 2. So I think that is the information. You can see yesterday's earning, you can see today's earning, this month's earning, this week's earning, total revenue, and then subordinate tax commission, referral rebate. So I was able to register somebody, and I had 3,000. So the more you register, people register under you, you can make more money. So I'll be sharing. I can't perform tax today, so I'll just be sharing how you can perform the video tax in my next video. So these are the videos you are going to watch. So as soon as you click on it, it will load for 15 seconds, and you click submitted. So it will now add to your daily tax. So I hope this video have been able to help you and show you how you can watch video and make money online. So if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, kindly click on the subscription button, because I'll be sharing videos like this that will help you to make money online. Also click on the like button so that people who are looking and searching online for such opportunities can see this video on their timeline. So click on the like button. And if you have any question regarding this video on how to join, how to register, kindly go to the comment section, because I'm going to be there to answer your question as they come in. Also, on the description button, I'm going to drop in my link on how you can register. And also, if you have any question, I'm going to drop my number, my WhatsApp number, so you can kindly reach me through that WhatsApp, through a chat. Then I can show you how you can register. So I can typically tell you that this site is paying, so you can just take this opportunity. So just like I said, if you don't want to go to the pro version, you can start as an intern, work for 3 days, and see how it goes. So you can share it with your friends, your family, and show them that this is working, and let's see how we can make money together. All right, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next side of the hustle. Keep winning, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Goodbye.